Hi, my name is Catherine Black, and this is my YouTube briefing 2 for PAD 4843. In this briefing, I'm going to talk about what the U.S. Constitution has to say on the matter of oversight, why oversight by the legislative branch is important, the potential consequences of no congregational oversight, and the outcomes of good congregational oversight. So basically, the Constitution does not explicitly say anything about congregational oversight, but it is an implied power within the Constitution, in the Constitution. In order for Congress to do its job, which is to legislate and make laws, they must be well informed, meaning that Congress can oversee certain intelligence activities so that they can legislate effectively. In the Senate, there are multiple committees set in place to gather intel from the different agencies so that Congress can legislate as effectively as possible. Without oversight, Congress would not be informed enough to regulate these agencies. Also, without oversight, intelligence communities could technically do what they want. They wouldn't have anyone to report to on a day-to-day basis. They could spend whatever they'd like. They can do whatever they want, whether it's ethical or not. And also, Congress would not be able to execute the responsibility of authorizing programs and certain activities, which means they wouldn't be able to fund them as well. This is called appropriations, and it's an incredibly important power, which Congress is the only one to have. The powers that grant all of the implied powers regarding oversight is found in Article 1 of the Constitution. And also, when the Constitution was written, the whole intelligence community was much, much different and much smaller. It wasn't as looked upon by the public as much, and so they had kind of more free will to a certain extent. Intelligence had fewer questions on ethics, so it wasn't regarded there isn't all those topics of torture and whatnot that we all learn about today. So within Congress, they must have some type of oversight so that they can make the best laws humanly possible for the citizens, and so that the agencies can have someone to check in with within checks and balances.